Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my sound sensor car. So first, when you clap, this car should move. So I'll show you how it moves. 1 minute. Sorry for that. So when you clap, look at the two motors. The two are rotating. Look here and here. And when you again clap, the motors stop. Like when you again clap, the motor stop. So this is the way how it works. I used one breadboard, one battery, one motor driver, one Arduino, and a sound sensor, and few jumper wires, wheels, and motors. Now I'm going to show you my code. My code is in motor 1 equals to 12 means 12 digital number, in motor 2 to the digital pin number 13, and in sound sensor to 5 for giving the sound sensors like place, and pin mode motor 1 output, pin mode motor 2 output, and pin mode SND input.